welcome to my kitchen. Let's make spice for Ful Mudammas. Preheat a pan on very low flame. Add 1 tablespoonful of cardamom. Roast for a minute. Add a teaspoonful of cloves. Roast for a minute. Now add a teaspoonful of cumin seeds. Roast all the spices together. Move the pan away from flame. Let the spices cool down completely. Dry grind them together. Ful Mudammas spice is ready. Hope you all enjoyed watching today's quick video. Please like, subscribe and share. I'll see you back soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye.